So the car that really put Tesla on the map was the Model S. And basically unchanged from 2012 to around 2016. Let's look at the chassis. See the small drive unit? And the pack is empty, you can tell, because that covers, see daylight through it. The module's been taken out. You can see the air suspension compressor, steering rack, sway bar, shock towers, crash cans, bumper. They used to have cutaways or chassis at the stores, but they got rid of them all. So this is the only place that you can actually see one. This one has the yacht floor and the obechi trim, leather of course. Sunroof. And looking at the large drive unit, those are straps around the tires, by the way, out to the steel frame. And you can see the rear subframe and the links. So for those that don't have a Model S or do, hope you enjoyed that. That's a nice view of the car that you don't see every day. Here at the Peterson in Los Angeles.